One and Only Podcast Cerita Lah, hosted by Andy.
Do you think that she's like wrong to say that, or maybe the out of frustration dia macam gitu?
Okay.
Okay.
Aku pernah nampak some videos years ago, which look almost like that dekat Mekah.
Yeah.
Tapi sekarang aku tak tahu lah macam mana. Maybe diorang ada dah control dia punya crowd kat sana. Mungkin dah better. Tapi if still like that, then she's not wrong. Tapi maybe just the way she say it.
Okay, untuk aku, they shouldn't say like that lah. Actually.
Yeah, correct. I think to me also out of frustration pun tak mau cakap gitu. Tak mau macam compare lah, you know. Comparison is not a good thing.
Yeah, because dia stationary kat situ. Kena langgar dengan orang aja.
Correct. No. Maybe instead of hate comments, maybe tanya apa, macam cakap how is the situation like, semua is she okay or not, apa semua kan, daripada macam cakap betina ni like I don't think that's
Tak
necessary.
payah personal sangat lah.
Tak payah.
Yeah, macam cakap apa, macam ni lah Mekah tu dia punya pasal, to be honest. If she want to say that, let her be lah, to be honest.
Tegur pun tegur cara baik apa.
Tegur cakap baik lah, tak mau cakap ni bodoh, ni